Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to import PowerPoint to Canva. So let's get started. First of all, let me just show you real quick is my PowerPoint. As you can see, here is the PowerPoint. It has 20 slides and this is what it looks. So we will add this PowerPoint without losing format. So how we can do that is very simple. First of all, you need to go to the canva.com, and then for your kind information you need to tap on this create a design option, and now you need to select the import file from here. Just tap on that and now select the file that you want to import, like group 3 presentation slides. So I will select that and tap on open, and as you can see it has been uploading. So let's just wait for a second to import it. As you can see, the upload has been done. So let's just open the file, and now after uploading, as you can see, we can simply just edit the text from here. Then you can see all of the slides are here available, and it can simply just be edited with the text. So we can simply just select the text and easily edit the text from here without any problem. So I think this might help you out. So if yes, please leave a like and comment down below if it works or not, and have a great day.